Right on, what we're doing is fixing the fall pipe in place. So we've got all these screws, pull them all the way down, which is going to be the right hand side of the bracket for the fall pipe. So what's happening is, I've just been below Tom, fixed it, he's fixing that one. I've come up here now, I'll fix the next one in, and vice versa, just keep going and going. Yeah, and then we can get the water running away off the roof. How it should.
First.
Yeah. Yeah. Run the line first, you're not wrong there, matey. So that's the down pipe there. All the way up there, that's coming down here. And it goes into this oldie weldy trough. And then there's the other one we did. All the way from the very top of the building. All the way down into the gully there, which is the same one. What we're doing next is taking this whole cast soil pipe out. It's in a right state. So that's going to come out next. Usually you can just break it and then it'll shatter. They're big heavy beasts. So we're going to get up there, get them down. One section at a time. And go from there. So I'm just going to show you how we're getting on with that fall pipe and that fall pipe, soil pipe. So we've got the new soil pipe here. We've got this one down to here. We're going to get it cut off somewhere there and use an adapter. Now we've got to connect up 3 toilets. So there's a toilet here, a new one which is going in that room there. And then there's the existing one, 14, which is up there, which we've got to reconnect. And then flat 15, which the one you've seen us just do. Yeah, so at least we've got that through there now. And there we go then. So now we've got the new feed in for the toilet there, into here. Excuse the brick dust, that's just been where we've been fixing these. All the way up there. Bendy bit there, just to sort of stop it going in front of that window. The new waste for what is Flat One's kitchen, which is what we do there. Nice little area there, look, just to select that on the end. And this is the old waste, so that didn't get used for anything. So it'll dispose of that at some point. But yeah, so all that is going to run into there now, instead of this long bloody pipe what was down there. Yes, the toilet in there, and the toilet's all connected up right at the very top. There you go. Two waste connections into there. Good. Good. Right, this is going to be the downstairs toilet. You can see there the pipe ran through the other day. So we're going to leave that now. That's on just to stop the smell coming up. We've got a light put on there, which we've got through there. Ignore this butchery at the minute. And what else? Oh, I've got to get that car bit drilled through there. Also, what we're going to do is, because I'm on the very ground floor, I've got to get this shower enclosure up to flat 15. But we won't film that, I'll just show you that when it's done. Easy. Right, weapons of choice. Car bit, 100mm, 110, and a pilot drill. Right, so you can see here, I've got it started, but this doesn't go all the way through. Now, don't be an electrician and just keep going through this way with your full core bit. Okay, I couldn't get my words out, all the way through, because you just blow the bricks on the other side. So your best doing is drilling through a pilot hole all the way through. Once you've got that through, then you've got a guide point from the other side to drill outside to in, thus getting a perfect hole without blowing the bricks. Alright, I'll show you what that's like when we're done. So you can see there, there's the pilot hole drilled through. We've got a bit of blown brickwork there, but that's out. So now we've got somewhere to guide this drill bit on and get that perfectly cut without damaging all the brick. Right, let's do that. And there we are through. Looks like the sun, doesn't it? Yeah, good job. See you on the other side. Right, I'm back on inside now. So we've just got this OSB board up. So Tom's just laying it over the top of this chipboard just to give it a bit more rigidity. There's nothing structural about it. He's got the shower tray now in place. He's been a busy boy.
Just work with the lino as well.
Yeah, helps with putting the lino down as well, yeah. Nice new vanity sink there. Nicely in the window. He's got it cord out there ready to put the shonky in as a toilet. Sharon's been decorating, so you can see here, look at this. These timbers look really good against the white paint now. So Sharon's a bit of the unsung hero, we don't see her. She's like the invisible man. And she's put some like clear coat varnish on these and it just keeps the dust down. And it just gives the brick a little bit of a sheen. But yeah, so it's looking alright, isn't it, matey?
It is, mate.
What you want next?
I'm going to finish this little bit off here.
Yeah.
Just one more load before I...
And you're going to wake it through, aren't you?
Yeah, eventually, but not today. Just get one more sheet down. And then I'm going to put some sheets through there. Just,
for that floor in the service cupboard?
Yeah, just to keep it level so to avoid a trip hazard.
Yeah.
Otherwise, even though it's like that, people trip over it. And then I'm going to finish. This is already...
You've already got that fixed in place, haven't you?
Yeah, it's already fixed in place. I've already got the drainage behind that wall.
Yeah.
I'm going to connect it up to outside and then run it into a pipe down there outside. And see
all the other stuff we did.
That'll get connected up as well.
Yeah.
I won't actually fit that because what I'm going to do the lino.
Yeah, then sit that in on top.
Sit on top.
Yeah, best idea.
A lot easier.
Yeah.
Because once it's all pipes through the wall and all that, before they're connected up, we'll give it one last sweep out and then we'll lino that.
Yeah.
And then I'll put a skirt on that right across.
Yeah.
It's a shame to add that really, but I want it for this part, and what it'll do.
Just round that off, won't it? For the skirting. Yeah,
The skirt will trap it.
Yeah.
And then it'll be an obvious step then, because you'll see it'll be white against.
Yeah.
So you won't trip over it. Hopefully.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, hopefully.
And then.
And when are you going to get on with sorting these out?
Well, that's the thing, innit? We're going to have to do a bit of tap dancing around it because these pipes are here.
Yeah.
And they're connecting that little kitchen up. I need to get that shower fitted in there.
Yeah.
So once that shower's fitted there, we can take that bath out, put a temporary sink in there, so he's got someone to wash his pots and what have you.
Yeah, you've got to remove one to do the other, haven't we?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to move the toilet from there to there in the same day as I'm doing the sink.
Yeah, so he's still got
downstairs.
Facilities.
And then he can go straight from there to there. And once I've done that, that can go out on the same day, so that'll be a busy day.
Yeah.
And once that's gone, I can put these walls up here, either side.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put two 800 wall units inserted inside the walls.
Yeah. Recess, so to give some more storage space.
And then this door's gone. This will be the door here.
Yeah.
This will be a corridor, so basically this will be part of the kitchen.
Yeah,
so this door here.
Yeah.
This door's not a door, not going to be a door anymore. I'll leave the casing in. I'll just run plasterboard both sides, and it's going to have.
Yeah.
As you walk in, you have an 800 wall unit there, 800 wall unit there. Then the door to the bathroom. Obviously, you've got separate extraction.
Yeah, so that's a fire door as well you're putting in there, isn't it?
It's going to be a fire
With
door.
the intermittent strips.
It didn't have to be a fire door.
No,
because it's a bathroom. It's not a living area. But you know, for what it is, and it is connected.
You may as well.
It is connected beyond as well.
Yeah.
So I've made a fire door for there as well.
Yeah.
So you're better off doing belts and braces.
Over engineer it, mate.
You are.
You're safe then, aren't you? You're safe with everything.
Yeah.
But,
it's a long way down.
Yeah, it's a big jump in it.
It bloody is.
No, but I really like how all this timberwet's turned out. It just really does look the part against the white, doesn't it?
Looks well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, not being funny, but we're making it up as we're going on. The designing.
Yeah, but that's the thing, innit? When you're in the trade,
yeah,
you know what you've got to do. You know what you can assemble it, yeah.
You've got half an idea.
And you can always make them alterations.
Like originally, there was going to be one stud wall going right from here, right along.
Yeah.
The full shebang, and then it was boarded up. But by the time I boarded it off, you got 3 inch, you got an inch overboard,
yeah.
4 inch.
Yeah.
Plasterboard, 4.5 inch. So you're over here.
Yeah, you'd lost that space.
That doesn't look a lot, but imagine that's the wall there. That's what you've got left with.
Yeah. Yeah.
Between you and the shower, it's not a lot. So
yeah, I think the best choice was made in the end.
Another 5 inch. Plus I'm going to set it back in it, so it's 6 inches more.
Yeah. And that's got plenty of insulation in it as well, that wall. And it's got the 100mm Kingspan, the 25mm overlay vapor barrier, cold bridge. Yeah, taped up, plasterboarded.
Yeah, yeah.
So, Yeah, you're not going to ask for anything better.
Once it's all done, Sharon will come back and she'll just
Touch up a few bits of
any marks that we've done. Or I mean, she's done that with it when she's done that.
Yeah, but
we'll probably get blamed for it, but. Well,
yeah.
Anyway, that'll just paint over, and then it'll be pristine, ready for the client to take over.
Yeah.
He's
Which, to be fair, he's been fair with us well, and he's still been living in his flat while we've been in and out of here.
Yeah, but I mean, he does go to work a lot.
Yeah, he does work.
He's not sat there listening.
No, but
he's at work, but
he's played the ball. No,
he ain't complained, and he's going to get a lot more for his money.
Yeah.
When he's got a lovely new shower and bathroom, like
yeah.
And the kitchen's going to be the bigger difference, I think.
Yeah, that definitely will be.
Because he's already got a big bathroom, but
yeah,
we'll get that nice shower in, and it'll make all the difference.
Mm.
So I'll have to get them aqua boards. I've got to stick aqua boards on there.
Yeah, them PVC panel type
Yeah, I'm
things.
not going to tile it. I'm just going to board it. You get it done in the morning.
Yeah, and if it's done right, it'll last.
Oh, last forever. I mean, I've already set that inside.
Yeah.
So it's going to have board on. So it's going to look good. It'll look good.
Yeah, cool.
Just finishing off bits now. It takes the longest.
It is. Yeah, that's what it is, isn't it? I mean,
bits at the time.
talking of kitchens, this is going to be the kitchen, as we've said. We've got the first fix done in here, but my pleasure today is get this cupboard emptied again and get it plastered. So that's going to be really fun. So always send the biggest person into the smallest space. That's what they say, isn't it, Tom?
What's that mean?
Put the biggest person in the smallest space.
Yeah. Well, I'm not plastering today.
Yeah. Right, I'll check back in when we've done a bit of work. Bathroom update. So Tom's got the floor sorted out to here. This door isn't going to be on, remember. Through. And nice little bath panels in there now. Very nice. So we started getting all the plumbing in place. Waste pipes coming through. Yeah. It's looking good. Wait, what have I just come up for? I've come up to see. Oh, that's it. Bonding on there. And on there. Right, I'll go make some go up. Right, Lano's roughly cut into place, so I'll be skating all going around there. That's folding over the edge and that'll be held in place by skating. Skating on there, skating on there. All around here. To there. Gloves look, oh, looks like you missed. Looking good, isn't it? I like the way the timber stands out now. It's lovely. Got that patched up on the other side. There. That's done the same on the other side there. That'll get skimmed when it's gone off. Yeah, lovely. Quite pleased with it. Just put the glass door up. Now he's just gone to get the frame so we can fit it back in its frame. There's no way we'd have got it up. Fit it back in its frame, then it can just lean against the wall for now. Yeah. Very nice. Shower fittings going in. Don't know if the connect's on the other side yet. Let's have a look. There we have it, coming out of there. A couple of isolators, and that's going to connect to the water feeds. And a lovely sink.